Ask your friends to join fast, so it will not be disturbed. We are doing a project execution, right? Rock, paper, scissors. We are in the half of we have completed half of the part of the coding yesterday. Today we're gonna see the complete program, whereas with uh, I'll be explaining you the all the code, and we can go with the output. What we can see we can see what we get the output today. Let's go with that. I was waiting till still some people haven't joined the class. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen. Where's the project? Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, here is our project. After this project, let's get into the advanced concepts, so that after completion of advanced concept, if we have we will be having some time, like few more days. At that time we'll be looking into some other projects, or some new kind of like uh, some basic codes on place, tuple, date. Let's see some code executions if we find any time. I hope you are getting the project coding. Like we are using only looping statements there. Looping and random function. I have already told you random module. By using them, we are writing the code. I hope you guys are understanding it. If you feel it's not good, it's boring, let's get into some other topic. We'll be leaving it here itself. Happy? Now you can tell the class. I'm ready to hear you. Everyone is watching you. You can open your camera, or you can open your mic. You guys are really interested to speak, right? You can. I'm giving you a chance to speak. When I was speaking, just talking parallelly is not at all acceptable. If I give you a chance, you will not utilize it. That's the problem with you. That's the reason why I'm not giving access to mics. I told you many times, if you guys don't want to listen the class, you can get out. I don't have any issue with that. It's not my duty to always tell you to get out of my class. If you don't have interest, why you guys are joining? I don't understand. Maybe due to some force or I don't know. But you talk to your authorities like we don't want any classes so that we can stop it. We don't have any issues with that. Because always we are always I have to make you like don't talk always I have to tell you or else even I was fed up with you guys really. Few people wants to talk something but they don't once they started talking now once they want to start talking you guys are making some snake sound some kind of match cricket match or some kind of unnecessary sounds. Yuck. Which are really not pleasant to hear, guys. I don't have any need to say the project. I can complete Python in 1 hour if I want to do that. Then you're gonna complain that we haven't got anything, we haven't, uh, ma'am haven't said anything. She has only completed in 1 hour or 1 day. You're gonna complain. Even I'm gonna take, I can take it. Because if you are not interested to listen to class, I was like forcefully, you are forcefully sitting here and listening, then what is the use? If you don't want to be in the class, if you don't want any Python, if you don't want to learn any Python, there's no use, right? I was teaching to myself rather than teaching you. I was teaching to it. It was just like there's no communication between us because you guys will be talking some stupid things. You guys are doing some stupid stuff. I'll be taking the mic access. We will not be getting any communication between us. It's just I'm telling to the walls around me, and even I'm listening to my things. This is how every day it is going. When I ask you questions, you will not respond at all. 404. Tell me what is loops? What are loops? How many looping statements are there? Number 404. 21 are not 1A06 1A0404. You can open your mic, ma. You can on your mic and you can say how many loops are there. You will not, you will never open your mics or you will never on your mics for questions. You'll be only owning your mics for some teasing or making some naughty things. You have even crossed that extent of naughty things. It's unbearable. So I'll be continuing with my own kind of concept. Not needing. There's no need of any projects or any kind of stuff like this. It's my fault. Like I was teaching you the project, like which is out of syllabus, which is not in my schedule. It's my fault. I don't want to waste my time, right? This code is very lengthy. Even though I have written it, I was like trying to tell you what it is. I'm trying to show you how simple it is. But you guys will never ever understand. I thought like telling you some snake game project, whereas some finding a number project, random number project. And some Kaggle projects. But you guys don't want all of this. You want some entertainment. You're always looking for the people who who are ready to entertain you. We are in some project. We have started some project yesterday, right? I'll be completing this project and project sessions will be ended. I'm not gonna take any of the other projects. I thought of telling you the projects. You guys are not interested. Then why should I? Even I'm not interested to tell you. What we have done in the yesterday's class, we have imported random model. Regarding we got to learn about some kind of rock paper scissors game with some conditions, right? We have 3 conditions. You can see here which I have already written. Rock versus paper, who wins? Paper will win because rock can't do anything with the paper, right? Even if it is placed on paper, it doesn't get any turns or something. Next, rock versus scissor. Who will win? Rock, because rock can break the scissor, right? In the same way, paper versus scissor. Definitely, who will win? It's scissors, because scissor can cut the paper. That's the reason why these here scissor wins. So what I have taken is, I want to print, like my choice, I want to print. Like I have taken rock as 1, paper as 2 and scissor as 3. Right. Rock as 1, paper as 2, where scissor as 3. These are the rules of the game. And we have taken the choice. We have written here, enter your choice, right? For that case, we have taken the input for the user as enter your choice. Today definitely I'm closing by 7:15. Even if I get 50 people is enough to me. Because every day I was waiting for you, and you guys will be doing all these kind of things. Even I am losing interest to teach you. We have used nothing in the code. We have used the looping statements to write the code. I use looping statements to write the code. Like you can see, I have used if, elif and else. By using if, what I said, if choice is 1, choice name should be rock. By using elif, I said choice is 2, like choice name should be paper. By using else, I have taken that it should be a scissor. Choice name should be a scissor. Right, getting it? So, next, I have to print the user choice. Print, now it's computer turn. Once I have entered, like after getting output, you will be getting to understand this line. User's choice is nothing but we have to enter one number and come now it will be printing now it's computer choice, computer turn. It will be giving some other number. We'll be doing looping until we'll be looping the code by using looping statements until we get the same number. You can see here. Looping until computer choose value which is equal to the choice value. We'll be looping the code. Next, if computer choice is 1, computer choice name equals to rock. We have already discussed it. Guys, do you have any doubts? Again, I'm telling you, just ping me in question and answer box. Your mics will not work. Here you can see computer chooses randomly any number among 1, 2, 3. Again, randint method of random module. In randint, we'll be choosing some integers, right? In the same way, 1, 2, 3 are integers, so it will be choosing random numbers by using the randint function, randint module. Looping I have told you already now, and we have written some cases as these all are cases. You can see here, if computer choice is 1, computer choice name should be rock. Computer choice is 2, computer name should be paper, or else it would be scissor. Where print computer choice is N, computer choice name. Print computer name versus computer choice name. Like choice name versus computer choice name. So we need of checking the draw. We have seen for 2 conditions, and now we are seeing for third condition, that is we need to check for draw condition. That is, if choice equals to computer choice, print it's a draw. If the user choice and computer choice are same, it should be printed as it is a draw, where n equals to something. That should be printed. End result will be draw. Here end result will be getting draw. If the user's value and the computer value is same, I was asking the processor to print, compiler to print it as a draw. Next, condition for winning. If choice is 1 and computer choice is 2, print paper wins, end result will be paper, because what is 1? What we have taken as 1? It's a rock, and 2 is a paper. So we'll be getting We'll be writing as paper win. We'll be getting the result as paper. Next, elif choice is double equals to 2, where computer choice is 1. Here what will happen? 2 means it's a paper, where 1 means it's a rock. So who will win? Who will win in this? User will win. In this, in if condition, who will win? Computer will win. These are the only things we will be considering in this. Yeah, just writing the condition, guys. Nothing more than that. We'll be writing the possible conditions. Just we write in some other, like in equations we'll be writing right equation 1, equation 2. In that case, it is similar to that. If choice is equals to 1 and computer choice is 3, what is 1? If choice is equals to 1, where computer choice is 3. 1 is rock, where choice 3 is, where computer choice is 3, that is scissor. So we are printing, we'll be getting the winner as rock. Elif choice is double equals to 3 and computer choice is double equals to 1. We print rock wins and hence n will be that rock. Who will win? 3 equals to 1. That is user equals to computer. Who will win? Rock wins. That means computer will win the match. If choice is equals to 2 and choice 3, computer choice is 3, who will win? Scissors win. Because end result will be rock. Printing either user or computer wins or draw. If result is draw, we'll be printing it as a tie. If the result is choice name, we'll be printing it as the user wins. Else, print computer wins. If in case user haven't won, we'll be printing it as computer wins. If we want to play the game again and again, we'll be giving some other options to that. That is, print do you want to play again. If we enter yes or no option, that is S, Y or N, you can play the game again. If user input N or capital N, then condition is true. Whatever, if you give small lowercase or uppercase, the condition will be true. So it will be taking. Answer equals to input dot lower. If answer equals to N, then we can break. It will say print thanks for playing. After coming out of the while loop, we'll print like if you don't want to play, it will be printed as thanks for playing. If you print it as S, you can play again. Just see this. What we will be getting the output. Run module. You can see winning rules of the game rock paper scissors are rock versus paper, paper wins, where rock versus scissor, rock wins. Paper versus scissor, scissor wins. Why? Because I have already told you why we'll be getting these kind of results. Even we used to play this game here and then in our childhood or even now. So I was entering my choice as 2. I was taking paper. User choice is paper. Now it's computer turn. Computer has chosen scissor. See how intelligent is computer. It has chosen scissor. So paper versus scissor. Scissor wins. That is computer wins. Let's check one more condition whether it is working or not. I'll be entering entering 1 as my next input. Enter. I'll show you guys. I have entered my input as 1. You can see I have entered rock. Computer choice is scissor. Rock versus scissor, who will win? User. True, right? It's working good. Next condition. Yes, I want to play. My choice is, now I am taking scissor. Computer has taken as rock. It has taken 1. It has chosen 1. I have taken 3. Where who will win? Scissors versus rock. Computer won the game, right? Yeah, it's already out of time. I'm closing the meeting. I'm locking the meeting, guys. Now I'm taking again. I'm printing. I want to play the game again. I have I was taking as I want to go with paper. You can see here it has chosen scissor. Again, computer wins. Next, enter my choice. I'm choosing rock. It has computer has choose scissor. So user 1. Again. So I'm choosing scissor again. So computer has choose rock. I have won the game. Sorry, computer has won the game. Next, I'll be choosing paper. Was waiting for the loop statements. If it work out or not. I want to play again. I'll be choosing one. Enter. It has chosen paper. It will be choosing randomly, right? We have given a statement that computer can choose the code randomly, like any kind of the number from the given choices. It can choose randomly, whereas even we are choosing randomly, right? So it may be taking some time to get the value which is like both values are same. Until we get that, we'll be doing this. On to else I want to play the game. I'll be taking one. Rock versus paper. Computer has chosen paper. Where who will win? Paper will win. So that's so computer won the game. Almost computer has won 6 matches. I hope so. Rock versus paper. Again, I'm entering 3. Scissors versus rock. Rock will. Scissors versus rock. Rock will win. Right. It's a true statement, right? Because rock can break the scissor. So who won? Computer. Again, yes. My choice is 3 now. Scissors versus rock again. Computer wins. Don't want to play now, so I was terminating my play. That is N. Why it hasn't stopped? Let's see. Here you can see rock versus paper, where rock cannot break any paper, right? So computer wins. Why it is not stopping? Let's check the code. Let's check the code. That's how we'll be getting it, guys. Let's see again. Where's the code? Here it is. It will be breaking the loop only in case if we get the result as drop. This is the code we have written, guys. That's why it was not breaking in the middle. If you guys want to write this code, I'll be if you want to write the code, you can, or else if you want me to share in the group, I'll be sharing in the group. It's your choice, guys. I hope you guys got understand what the code is, right? Why we have taken that looping statements, and if I write, let's see one thing. If I write the code as like what it is, what I said, computer choice equals to random.randint, right? Here if I write the code as computer choice equals to 1 where computer choice name is drop. If I take this in place of that, in place of the code which I have shown you before, it will be generating some error, like it will not generate any error, but the answer will be full of errors. Like we will be getting errors in the answer. If the rock and paper, if let's take rock and paper, who will win in the in condition of rock and paper? Who will win? Paper win, right? Paper wins. So it should print as user wins, but it will not print user wins. It will be printing as computer wins. So ordering of the statements is also important in this. While you are writing the code in conditions, the ordering of the element is also ordering of the sequence. The sequence order is also important in this in this kind of projects, guys. Okay, I'll be sharing in the group. Guys, have you understand the project? We just used only looping statements here. Have you understand the project? If you understand, just give me a thumbs up or raise your hand. You got the project? All right. Anyone don't get the project, just like don't understand at any part, just bring me in the question answer box. I'll be telling you now. Right. Let's get into some other new topic today. I'll be closing soon even. Okay. Let's go to some PPT. Here is our PPT. So, these all topics are clear for you. I think you can be able to write the basic syntax for all these topics, right? I have even told you, I have even executed the syntax. These all syntaxes I have already executed for you. I'll be giving you some tasks to do, a task to practice. It will be good, right? Can I give you any task? Okay, by using while loop. Where is looping? Already in loops, right? Guys, can I go with the theoretical part or can I go with some kind of programming part? Can I tell you some basic level of programs for list, tuple, dictionary, even loops for implementing reverse number or Armstrong number? These kind of codes do you want me to tell you, or can I go with the theoretical part? It's your choice. If you want me to tell the theoretical part, I'll be getting into the modules. Today I'll be telling you some of the modules which were the basic modules you have to learn. Or else I'll be telling you some kind of like programming, like basic programs for reversing a string or reversing a number, even on number, getting even on numbers, or leap year program. These kind of programs I'll be telling you. What should I go with? Projects will not be continued now because you guys are not at all interested. Only one or two guys were interested. I hope projects, most of the people are not interested in projects, right? Because you don't want projects, you don't want classes. Just raise your hands. How many want only theoretical class for today? Like, who wants theoretical class for today? We'll go with the number. Like, how many people? Majority. We'll go with the majority. 5, 8. Okay. Let's get into the theoretical part of modules. Let's see what types of modules are there. But today I can't show you the PPT because it wasn't there in my laptop today. I'll be telling you theoretically and I'll be showing you, I'll be just showing the basic code of it. Okay guys, you can raise down your hands. Like you can lower your hands. Thank you. Hope you are listening. Thanks for your feedback, attention. We'll be getting into projects once we have completed all the advanced concepts. If any of your guys have interest, I'll be telling you the projects after that, after the advanced concepts. Okay, I'll be telling you the, I'm so sorry, modules. I'll be opening ideally. We all know, right, what is a module? Where is this? We all know what is a module. It is a file which is containing definitions, Python definitions and statements. And it can define classes, functions and variables. It has, like, it is similar to a literally it is a lines of code which is runnable, where it is related to make code. Like we can understand the code by using modules very easily, guys. And it can be reusable, where it also said to be it is logically organized. Code will be logically organized. Actually, we have seen the modules already. And even we have seen like some code for module, right? Let me show you the basic code for that. That I'll be taking some new ideally. Def for what def is used for defining a function, right? Def add. I want to add some x comma y, where I want to get return return x next. I'll be writing one more code def x minus y. Will be returning minus y. Sorry guys. This is the like we'll be saving this, save as calc dot py, because only in this module we'll be able to we will be able to define a subtraction and multiple even addition at the same time. We can add two functions, we can subtract two functions only in this module. You can see it hasn't displayed anything because we haven't gave any values. Okay, let me take this. Let's see some sample modules today. I'll be telling you some theory of basic modules. Like only I'll be telling you why we use them, where we use them, um, what is the name. Only I'll be telling you that for today. And we'll be getting into brief from tomorrow. Right. I'll be telling you only that concept. We have many modules in Python. NumPy, Pandas, SkyPy, Matplotlib, where Seaborn. I'll be writing here. You may be able to follow it. NumPy, NumPy is nothing but numerical pi, where Pandas, SkyPy, Matplotlib. These are very new to here, right? Because even operators or data types, these kind of terms we will be listening here and now. But these are really rare to hear. Seaborn, and even for these modules will be having some versions. I hope you are aware of this term SQL or MySQL. Next, TensorFlow, TensorFlow, Keras. Keras is not which is a like edible one. It's a module. Keras. Keras. OpenCV2. Tkinter. Django. It is pronounced as Django. Might be it may be like starts with D, but will be pronouncing as Django because D is silent. XLWT. NLTK. Where scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is nothing but sklearn. And many more are there. And so on. We'll be learning these topics in our upcoming sessions. We'll be seeing like we'll be getting through those topics. Just we'll be having an intro for today. We'll be going into deep depth into NumPy tomorrow. I'll be just giving an introduction part for you. It's a basic like where NumPy can be used. It is a package. NumPy is a package where it is used for it is used as a general purpose array. Got it? NumPy is a package where we use it for it's a general purpose where it is a general purpose array. It is some kind of, what can I tell you? NumPy is a numerical Python. NumPy is said to be numerical Python. Right. NumPy is a numerical Python where it works with arrays. NumPy is said to be numerical Python where it is a kind of library which is used to work with arrays. You know about arrays, I think. Python will not be having arrays. Arrays concept will not be having arrays concept. But in modules, in only NumPy will be using arrays in place of list, because list may be like only we are having the list concept in Python. We don't have arrays concept. List and arrays are similar. Guys, are you getting me? List and arrays are similar. But why don't we use list instead of arrays? You may be getting the doubt. Because arrays are faster than list, where it helps in like we don't get any space complexity or time complexity by using arrays. If we use the list, we will be getting some space complexity and some kind of time complexity also. For your remembrance, I'll be writing some points here. NumPy, right? NumPy. What is NumPy? It's a Python library. Next, we'll be using it to work with which points I have discussed. Yeah, why we use that, like why we are not using the list, because time complexity and place complexity may take place, because list every list will be storing the values or the folders in different storage places, so that it's hard to access. Like we can't access the list like which are by using list we can't access the we can't access the files that much fastly, and we may get some space complexity, because it will be saving space for next, like it will not arrange in sequence, and they are arranged here and there. So there may be, their place complexity may be occur. We'll be talking about in deep in tomorrow's class. It works with the functions. It has some functions. What are the functions? Let's go through. Like working with linear algebra. This is the word we may be hearing in M2 or kind of inter or 10th mathematics. Algebra. Fourier transformations and matrices. Matrices. Where NumPy was created in 2005. The year 2005 by the person, like by the scientist Travis Oliphant. Travis Oliphant. Travis Oliphant was a person who has created NumPy in 2005. NumPy is a very, like, this is the module we'll be mostly using in our projects, in like real-time projects also. We'll be using this NumPy concept for solving scientific calculations, and the calculations which are the bigger, almost it is used for calculating the largest values, where NumPy stands for numerical Python. Num is numerical, where py is Python. And why we use NumPy? As I told you, lists are very slow. Like they can't. We may get some time complexity. In that case, only we are using. We want to use, we have to use arrays to get out of, like, to reduce the space complexity. So we are using NumPy. NumPy module consists of all arrays concepts, where in array it will be providing some 50 x speed of, it will work 50 times speed faster than the list. I hope you are getting me. NumPy will work 50%, like 50 times faster than the list. Got it? So that's why we will not use list in most of the cases. And this is all about NumPy. We will be calling the object of NumPy as ND array. Guys, remember this term. You will be getting in most of the cases you will be getting this term, ND array. So NumPy will be providing lots of supporting functions that made us to work with the ND array, which makes working with ND array is very easy. Next, sorry, let's get into next module, that is pandas. Why we use pandas? It is same as like pandas is pandas. Pandas is also one of the Python library where it is used to work with data sets. It is used to work with data sets. Like it is used for analyzing the big data and also to make some statistical theories. It will be useful. Getting me? Next, it has some functions like it can analyze the data, whereas it is used for cleaning or exploring. Even it can manipulate the data. Manipulation, you all guys know, like you will be doing this regularly. Like you will be like it can like it can show that it doesn't consist of any data, but it will be showing you that it consists of some neutral units of data, some units of data. It will be showing you some units of data, but it may not consist that kind of data. Like even if it doesn't have anything, it will be showing it may be having something. Like if I, for example, I'll be taking 2, it can be changed to 4 after some calculations of some theory. It will be changing to 4, and it will be showing it has used only 4 in particular program. That kind of techniques it will be using in pandas. We can manipulate the data, whereas we can analyze the data, we can clean the data, we can explore the data. Like we can access to everything. We are access to every option. Nice. Manipulate. Maybe I have written wrong. Manipulate. Where what we'll be doing again, cleaning and kind of exploring. Exploring. Looking at these points in deep when we get into pandas. And for this, why the name of pandas has chosen is because which refer to panel data, and Python data analysis. Data analysis. And it was created by, you are unable to see, I got to understand. Okay. Panel data and Python data analysis will be, for the, in that case it is named as pandas. And also I'm so sorry, we'll be seeing what is panel data and py data. I'm just giving you the basic understanding about the concepts. We'll be seeing this in the upcoming classes. And it was created by Wes MC Kinney. MC Kinney in 2008. He has created this, Wes MC Kinney, in 2008. Where pandas, what pandas will do is, it will allow us to analyze the big data and make some conclusions about some statistical theories. This is the main use of pandas. And it can clean the messy data in the messy data sets used to be there, right? Like which is clumsy. It will clean that data sets and make them readable and meaningful. This is the main concept of pandas. Next, let's go into what was the next concept. It's SkyPy. It's next concept is SkyPy. SkyPy is said to be one of the scientific calculation, like computation library, where it is used for scientific calculations. It is under NumPy. Like it is similar to NumPy. SkyPy is similar to NumPy, but an advanced version of NumPy. It is said to be an advanced version of NumPy. It is used for scientific calculations or computations, whatever. Where it is underneath, like it lies under NumPy. It is similar to NumPy and it lies underneath of NumPy. SkyPy stands for scientific SkyPy, right? That's why we will be calling it as like scientific. It is scientific Python. It is named termed as scientific Python. That's why I'll be calling it as SkyPy. And like as NumPy, SciPy is also an open source. It's an open source which is available freely. It's an open source and we can use it for free. And also it was created by the Travis Oliphant. We have seen here. Even NumPy, the creator of NumPy, has created even SciPy. Travis Oliphant. Why we have already NumPy, right? Why he has invented one more, that is SciPy. It is nothing but it's an advanced version of NumPy where it is used to give some optimized results, like exact and shorter results, which gives us the exact value and accurate value, where it is when it is used with some kind of data science or some specific calculations, it will be giving us the exact value with less code or something. That's why I'll be using SciPy. Next, what was the next? It's Matplotlib. See our friends, they are joining now. Matplotlib. We have one more command, that is pyplot. I haven't mentioned it. In Matplotlib, all Matplotlib utilities will be lies in pyplot, where it is imported by using plt command. They want only attendance. Okay, getting. I haven't tell you the importing statements. I'll be telling you later because there is no time. I'll be completing this Matplotlib for now, and let's get into other topics tomorrow. It is a submodule, and it is a submodule of pyplot. It is a submodule of pyplot. And also it is usually it is imported like PLT with the name PLT. Got it? It is similar package. It is a normal library like any other Python libraries. It is one of the library of Python. It is used for like creating animated or interactive visualizations. Why we use Matplotlib is like we'll be creating animated like animations and we'll be creating some visuals, interactive visuals. For visualization purpose, we'll be creating this for animations and creating some visualizations which are useful for displaying purpose. Where this makes hardest things easier. We will be able to learn things um, by visualizing them. It will be easy to learn rather than what can I tell you? Rather than just simply listening, it is really good to visualize. We can visualize and we can um, learn it very faster, right? In the same way, it is easier if we use Matplotlib. Matplotlib makes everything harder things to it will convert everything to easy. Or even it will make it possible to understand. All the concepts easy, but also it will make it possible to understand. Okay, this is all for today's class. Before closing the class, we'll be getting interacted with each other again. I'll be giving you the access. Now you can do whatever the sounds you haven't done till now. Guys, any doubts? Or any questions? Any queries? Or any suggestions? Anyone? Four not four. Do you have any questions? Where is some kind of 403? These are the people who will be on the line always, like they are in rush to shout. Four not three, 404, and some kind of guy. Who is that? 4R, 4R4. Sorry, four no, not 404. 4R4. Maybe sometimes 404. Guys, do you have any questions? If not, how was the class today? I have a question for you. How was the class today? Is it okay? Is it all right? Or not bad? Or poor? or you haven't listened. It's all up to you. But I need to know, right? If you don't feel it good, tell me at the same time, because I'll be trying to tell you in some other way. I'll be trying to mold myself to teach you in some other way. Because without understanding, if you listen the class, you will not get anything. Even I don't get anything without like I'll not be satisfied without getting you understand. Like if you don't understand the class, I'll not be satisfied, right? Even I don't feel good. That's why I'm asking these many times. Okay, guys, can I leave? And I hope you can leave. Have a good day. I think tomorrow, maybe tomorrow is not weekend, right? You'll be coming. On weekends, you will not be coming to class, right? Guys, you can leave. Thank you. Have a good night. He want attendance, some 56. Yeah, I'll explain you some basic programs once we have completed that advanced concept. Once we have completed advanced concepts, I'll be explaining you basic programs for every concept. On from 5 to 10 programs we're gonna do in live classes. Even I'll make you guys to implement the program or execute the program in the class itself. So be ready. I'll be telling you the example and you should execute the other example for that in a parallel. Thank you.